These are the kindest thieves in the world. At a bus station, a thief stole a woman's wallet. After getting back home, he opened it and found nothing but a few prescriptions and a family photo. So he went back to the station, returned the wallet to her, and even left a little extra cash inside. Another thief stole a car from a parking lot, but as he sped away, he discovered a sleeping baby in the back seat, so he drove straight to a fire station, and what nobody expected was that after handing the child to the staff, he gave the baby's mother a harsh scolding, saying she never should have left the infant alone in the car. Finally, one winter, a thief broke into a house and found the homeowner was an elderly person shivering from the cold. Feeling sorry for them, he lit the fireplace, shut all the windows, and only then left empty-handed. The next day, the old person noticed the lock had been forced, but after seeing the fire had been lit, they decided not to call the police. Scoop, the most absurd coincidences in the world.